Work from home jobs are on the rise, and the pandemic is only accelerating this trend. And it makes sense. Why should someone have to sit through rush hour traffic and go to an office when all they need is a computer and internet connection? There are a lot of stay-at-home jobs that pay very well, which is a huge plus for stay-at-home parents and students who want to make the most of their time while having online classes, or even if you're just a simple person that has to pay their bills. There's always something for everyone. With most jobs, we trade our time for money. So the best work-from-home opportunities help you make the most money in the least amount of time. Here are top 6 legitimate work-from-home jobs with a flexible schedule that you can do to start earning money from home on your own time. Number 1. Social Media Manager. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you probably already know social media. With that in mind, we'll start with our 6th item, which is being a social media manager. You must be using social media every day, right? May it be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. You know them, and navigating through them might be your tool in getting paid. There are a lot of businesses out there that need to be on social media for marketing and advertising. They know that they need to be on social media to get followers, which will lead to more sales. But unfortunately, which isn't so unfortunate for you, a lot of people who own these businesses have no clue about social media. So if you know how to use social media, you're actually valuable to them. Pretty much you'll just be posting content for their business on their Facebook page or Instagram page. You must remember to be creative for this job. Differentiation is one of the biggest challenges for brands in the saturated social media space. Every social media manager wants to create content that's exciting, valuable, and buzzworthy, and it takes creativity to come up with ideas that stand out. When it comes to social media skills, creativity is particularly versatile. On par with being creative is having a sense of humor and ability to improvise in any given situation. This must be easy when you're up to date with trends that have the most hilarious memes in content. Number 2. Content writing. Writing is one of the first professions that come to mind when thinking about working from home. Generally a more private task, writing lends itself perfectly to remote working and is a flexible job that truly can be done from anywhere. From education and healthcare to finance and law, and endless subjects in between, one of the benefits of a writing job is that you can write about nearly anything. So if you're dreaming of using your own writing skills in a job you can do from anywhere, a work-from-home writing job may be just what you're looking for. Most content writers have an undergraduate degree in English or marketing. However, it is possible to enter the field without a degree if you start as an intern or demonstrate writing proficiency with a portfolio of your work. To be successful in this role, content writers must know how to use a variety of writing and publishing programs, such as Microsoft Office, G Suite, and WordPress. A strong attention to detail and the ability to work under pressure is also essential. So how much does an average content writer earn in the US? The average content writer salary is $52,121 per year or $25.06 per hour. People on the lower end of that spectrum, the bottom 10% to be exact, make roughly $37,000 a year, while the top 10% make $72,000. If writing is something that you're good at, this work-from-home job might be just for you. Number 3. Video editing. Every minute, 300 hours of video are posted on YouTube. Sites such as YouTube and Vimeo have changed the way people consume video content. Further, these sites have given normal people the opportunity to be significant players in the video entertainment industry. Professionals skilled at video editing have a unique chance to be part of this revolution. The beauty of working as a video editor is that you won't need any special certification or college degree to be hired. As long as your skills are up to par, you can always find gigs. This reality makes it possible for any motivated person with enough aptitude to become a decent video editor to find gainful employment. You can learn video editing from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a computer with the necessary tools and an internet connection to access tutorials. You can use both free and premium tools. As a video editor, you are tasked with taking the raw footage shot by a film crew and director and turning it into the final product. This means following an outline, script, or shot list and assembling the footage into one cohesive video or film. In terms of profit, PayScale states that a freelance video editor's average salary is $20 an hour in the US. However, it mostly depends on experience and duties. For example, editing promotional videos for small businesses pays more than making YouTube videos. Number 4. Virtual assistant. If you're looking to work for yourself and build your own freedom, learning how to become a virtual assistant might be ideal for you. Becoming a virtual assistant can finally give you that flexibility to create the perfect balanced lifestyle you're looking for. As a virtual assistant, you get to choose who you work for and what tasks you take on. You'll be able to manage your own schedule and work from anywhere. Of course, like all jobs, it's hard work, especially at the beginning. You'll have a lot to learn. You'll need to be determined and don't give up at the first hurdle. But the freedom that will come with being in charge of your own life is going to be incredible. And it's completely possible to make a full-time income within a month or two of starting. Virtual assistants provide vital remote administrative and technical services to business owners. Virtual assistants is a rapidly growing career field because of the benefits it offers to both employees and the people who employ them. Employers can save time and money by outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants instead of hiring full-time employees or performing the work themselves. And virtual assistants enjoy the flexibility and independence of remote freelance work that often offers opportunities for entry-level employees. What's the average salary for a virtual assistant, you ask? Well, it ranges depending on the kind of service you offer and your experience. In general, it would be a healthy range of $25 to $50 per hour. Number 5. Translator. If you know how to speak a different language and translating documents is an easy task for you, then being a translator might just give you a good pay. Many translation jobs are done by freelance translators, but there are also translation companies that hire work-from-home translators. As a translator, you can easily receive $50 or even $100 per hour. You can even try venturing out and try applying on YouTube. With a translated video, YouTubers can gain a whole new audience. You can try messaging YouTubers and offer them your services, and you can get a decent amount of money for that. Number 6. Becoming an online tutor. Thanks to modern technology, students no longer have to meet face-to-face with tutors to receive the academic support they need. As tech-savvy students realize they can get the same benefits of traditional tutoring for less money, and in the convenience and safety of their own home, online tutors will continue to be in high demand. As an online tutor, you will provide one-on-one learning support for students of all ages using your home computer or laptop, high-speed internet, a webcam, and online tools to communicate and share resources. Many people think they need a degree in education in order to become a tutor. However, tutoring jobs are available to anyone with a high school diploma or a GED. There are plenty of tutoring jobs available to work with elementary, junior high, or high school students. So how much can you earn from online tutoring? Online tutors working on their own are typically paid around $30 per hour. This amount can increase to $50 or $60 per hour for advanced subjects such as SAT prep or calculus. The demand for online tutoring has exploded in recent years and students love it. However, since there are no physical limitations, the supply of available tutors is high, which drives the average price down from local tutoring. Though the pandemic may have been the catalyst for unemployment for millions of employees around the world, it has still opened a lot of opportunities to the resilient and resourceful ones. Indeed, the benefits of working from home impact so many things in your life, and it's up to you to gain the best possible results from it. So, what do you think about today's video? Have you tried any of these jobs? Or better yet, do you have other recommendations too? We'd love to hear them in the comment section below. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications. And we'll see you in the next video.